Dude, why did we fail this year?
Well, a year has 365 days.
And a year has 52 Sundays.
With 50 days of summer holiday.
8 hours of daily sleep means 122 days.
And 1 hour of daily play means 15 days.
Along with 2 hours of daily eating adds up to 30 days.
And 1 hour of talking every day makes up another 15 days.
Oh, don't forget exam days add up to roughly 35 days.
And all those times we go to functions, festivals, gatherings makes up at least 40 days.
As well as a minimum of 3 days if we get sick with the flu or something.
Together with at least 2 days watching movies and TV shows.
And that leaves 1 day.
That one day is your birthday.
So that answers it. We just had no time to study. At all.